donuts! Yay!
Hey, you got more Bieber nail polish.
It's not Bieber.
Oh. That's a nice color. I think I'm gonna have to print my newsletter.
What is it all?
Oh, can I see the candy stuff?
What's the red thing?
Oh, lip smacker.
Hey, hard candy. Let me see.
Okay.
From Trisha and Mackenzie.
It comes out of the fridge?
Careful.
I'm worried.
Be careful with it. It's
Yeah,
fragile.
but it's fragile, so careful.
very fragile.
And you're cleaning all the mess up that it takes to
Careful.
open it.
Is the battery done? Yeah? Oh my god, plug it in.
Careful.
Careful, 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 careful.
Careful. Please be very careful. Open it.
Open it!
Here's the example.
Oh no! You broke Dr. Malinowski.
Put it back in.
Okay, I'll move on.
You guys are sick.
One's bigger than the other, and one's old and rotten and disgustingly moldy. Oh, this one's gonna be a. You can only use fingers.
Okay, wait, I wanna record this one.
Turn it around. Turn it around. You have to turn it
Don't
around.
open it yet. We're gonna.
Say,
You show her.
to cry.
Crystal Nizera on the front.
That's one layer.
That's 2 layers.
Yeah, that is 2 layers.
Dude, there's not very good lighting.
We'll turn on the light.
Just don't turn on the lights, please.
Oh, it's gonna do anything.
No. Oh, yeah, there we go.
3.
Don't lose the elastic.
Four. I don't
Those
even.
bags are 5 cents a piece. That is a gift, the bag.
Five.
Breakers gives it a very. Oh gosh, that was fantastic.
Oh my goodness. What am I going to do for garbage next week?
Nothing.
9.
Girls. Don't rip that one. That's a nice Walmart big garbage bag. Big garbage bag.
10. 11.
I forgot about that one.
12.
Even gold on it.
What's the picture of?
On the wiener.
Where's the picture of? Oh, near that chick.
Is it wet?
Yes. Oh, I didn't let it dry.
The glue.
Mm-hmm. We had to tape her up good.
What, did you glue it to the box?
Yes.
There she is. You just wait.
I might be here for a couple more hours.
It's all sticky. I don't want my hands to get sticky.
Well, too bad.
They're washable.
Do you even see pink stuff yet? Oh yeah, okay. You see why it took us so long to wrap your present? There's tape all around it, Donut. You can see that. Ow!
You're gonna like it.
Yeah, you're really gonna like your present.
Yeah, I hope this is worth it.
Don't wreck the box.
Too bad.
Too bad.
You already wrecked it. Stickers.
You're supposed to dress the people up.
Stickers. Oh, a poof ball.
It's a loofah.
I call them poof balls. And a face mask.
There's more in there. She looks evil. Was it the pink one?
Flavor is it?
Fruit smoothie something.
Scent.
White chocolate. That one gave me zits.
Oh, sorry. Didn't know that.
White chocolate.
Yeah. Lashana gave me a white chocolate one before.
Are you done?
Oh, you're done.